In DDS-CAD 17 you can place LED strips quickly and easily when planning room lighting. The LED strips can be arranged straight and curved like cable ducts. The beam direction of the LEDs can be easily changed. A pre-selection of installation profiles are available. For the vivid representation of LED strips in the model, DDS-CAD 17 offers various functions such as diverse rendering methods. You can quickly and easily generate a parts list from the planning of your LED design with just a click. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified of new videos.